Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to Himalayan Zoological Park, and I'm a little bit in hurry because my friend is already ready now and I am. Look at this, you can see, and she will get angry, so now I have to get ready as fast as I could. So if you want to see the beautiful place, that is obviously Himalayan Zoological Park. It's a very peaceful place. For that, keep watching.
Hi, abahagi kako.
Hi guys, look at the weather. So nice. Weather is with me today. Say hi. Show me your moves. Show me your moves. Yeah.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
It's automatic. Yeah. Come here someday. It's so nice. He's preparing our meal. What is that? What is that? Let me see. That's such a nice place. You feel so peaceful over there. I feel that. So let's go. God damn it, I'm in love with this place. We got the ticket. I bet you'll love this place. Look at this. Okay, let's move. We are going to see deer. Yeah. Let's move.
Wow, yun dami mo yun.
There was a leech in my hand. Shit. This is a very nice place, but be aware of leeches. Wow, this is so peaceful. If you guys ever come here, please don't make noise and all, because these animals get irritated. So
Disturbed.
make sure. Okay, bye. We are unlucky. I don't know where the hell he is right now. So let's move.
Okay, have you ever heard about blue sheep?
Oh yeah, there is. Look at that. That's a blue sheep. Can you see the horn? Okay, so vehicles are not allowed from here.
Look at this. So cute.
Hey, madam.
Hey.
Do you know what?
What?
You're so gorgeous.
Thank you.
She's blushing. She's blushing.
Aw.
We don't have much time, so I'm not going to show you everything over here. There's something called coral. It's. Let's see what's over here. Hey, porcupines.
Oh wow, that's
From
so
up
cute.
there we can see down. Yeah, everything. Like the Gangtok town and the road down there. The best thing to see in this zoological park is this one. Okay, I think it's going to rain now. It's clear here, but look at this part.
It's a beautiful combination of rain and water.
Look at this. Wow. Walking up to here is just worth it. And there's a monkey.
Done. Clap, clap, clap.
Okay, that was all. We are now heading to home. Thanks for watching my video, and if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and like my video. If you aren't, then please just like my video.